Do you think that the only means by which electricity is generated is from water? Well, there are other means by which electricity is generated. If you recall what we learned from how water is used to generate electricity, the moving water from the dam creates a force that causes the blade of a turbine to spin. So, scientists came together and asked a question: what can we use instead of water? Or what else can generate this same amount of force? And guess what they found out? They found out that when water is heated into steam and directed across the blades of a turbine, enough force is generated to cause the turbine to spin. Wow! Isn't it amazing that steam and water do the same? I am surprised too. If water is to be heated, then fuel is needed, right? So, the next question is, how do we get the amount of fuel for such a huge project? Some of the more common fuels are natural gas, coal, uranium, which is also known as nuclear, diesel, oil, and biomass materials. So, any of these common fuels can be used to heat up water to steam. So, if electricity energy generated from water is called hydroelectric, what can we call energy generated from steam? Don't think too far, because it is generated from heat. We can call it thermal power. So, from what we have learned so far, we can say that thermal power or thermal electricity is power or electricity generated through the use of coal, natural gas, and petroleum. These minerals are used to power turbine or giant generators in order to generate electricity. So, let's see how this works too. Water is generated into steam and directed across the blades of a turbine, and enough force is generated to cause the turbine to spin. After passing through the turbine, the steam is cooled and condensed back into liquid form before being returned to the heat source, where it will again be converted into steam. Power plants use a wide range of fuels to heat liquids into steam. Most thermal plants are large industrial installations used to generate electricity. I believe you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.